Hi students, we are doing the activity 4, Coriolis effect. You should have your CAMI sheet out and we're going to go to question number 1. If you look at the whiteboard, I have cold air labeled at the top and hot air labeled at the bottom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my marker right here, and as I rotate this board, which represents the earth, I'm going to try and draw a straight line from hot to cold. Hot air is rising. And it's going to rotate counterclockwise, just like the earth does. All right? And then I'd like you to draw, when I'm done, what the line pattern looks like. Ready, set, go. And if you see, I'm going to put a little arrow on it. You can copy that down on your paper and write down, draw a picture of your results. Was your line straight or curved? In which direction did it curve, if it in fact curved? Now I'm going to erase it. Keep it going. And we're going to assume we're in the southern hemisphere. If you're standing looking that way from the equator, it's going to appear to be moving, the earth is going to be moving clockwise. So here we go. Ready, set, go. So I'm going to draw an arrow, draw what that's doing. And question number 2 says, we did everything the same, but we spun the board the opposite way, clockwise. Draw a picture of your results. Was it straight or curved? If it was curved, what direction did it curve towards? Now for the last part, you're just going to have to imagine, based on your 2 drawings,